How to redeem codes on the PS5. Hey everyone and welcome back. If you have got the codes or the digital code for PS5 but do not know the process to redeem it, here you go on the step-by-step process. First of all, on the PS5 home menu, go to the PlayStation Store. Navigate up to the top menu categories bar and from there select the icon next to the shopping cart. Highlight and select the redeem codes from the list of options available. After that, enter the code and press X to continue. Now you should see the content that you are redeeming. From here, you should highlight the confirm option and press X. A message will then appear that the code has been redeemed. After that, press the OK button. The content should automatically start downloading the video. If not, you have to continue manually. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.